Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Podcast Workers. The Podcast Workers. So we will also discuss about in this topic how to save money on flights inside the trips. How to get discounts on flights. Be flexible. Are you looking for the single best way to save money on airlines tickets? Then you need to be flexible. This is probably the most common tip you will ever hear, but it's true. The more flexible you can be when booking your flights, the better. Let's take a look at flights from New York to Orlando during Thanksgiving. That holiday weekend is known as one of the most expensive travel dates on the calendars. Living on 2023 would cost $618. Spending $600 on a flight that's less than 3 hours long is expensive, especially on this leisure heavy route. However, look what happens when moving your dates by just a few days. Opting to travel to Orlando a few days earlier well sets you back $313, nearly cutting the cost of your flight tickets in half. And if you're traveling with multiple people, those savings add up quickly. Use points and miles. Our travels is one of the easiest way to save money in flights. Using airlines miles, credit card point to travel income score, you discounted plane tickets. Even in first classes, of course, you will need to find available reward sets which can track some funneling, but the saving can be well worth it compared with paying cash. Let's look at a one-way economy flights from Los Angeles to Perth. One example would set you back $1,074 for one-way tickets. Not valid values. American Airlines points at 1.5 cents per point. That means the 22,500 points needed for these tickets are valued at about $338 by booking this trip. Where it gets a whopping 4.7 cents per mile, which is an excellent redemption value for the $1,074 which tickets would cost out of pocket. Keeping in mind that it doesn't always make sense to use airlines miles, especially when exchange prices are low. However, in times of high demands or when a ticket is expensive, like in the example above, you can save a lot of money. Doing so, especially when looking to book last minute flights. Travel in the off-seasons. Although this may be more difficult if you are trying to coordinate travels with family, flying during the off-seasons will nearly always save you money on your tickets. We showed you earlier how moving your tickets by just a few days can generally cut the cost of your tickets in half. This can even help you save money on multi-city flights.